Welcome back. So in this lecture, let us see a tool which can actually track your bugs. We say it as bug tracking testing tool, that is Bugzilla. So it's an open source testing tool by which you can actually report your bugs and track them, and you can maintain a bug management system using this tool. There are a lot other tools in the market regarding this bug tracking, but this is one of the famous because as it is open source and it provides more and more features where no other tool provides in creating a bug. Okay, so there is quality center provided by HP. That's a paid tool, and you have an defect management system there as well, but that is a complete paid tool where you have to buy the license to use that. So the most of the open projects like product development companies go with this Bugzilla tool. Okay, so the importance of this is it's developed by Mozilla Firefox browser team, and you can actually integrate this Bugzilla with your automation projects as well. Okay, it's not only from manual perspective where you can track the bug and manage it. It exposes the API with which you can integrate to your automation like Selenium and such a kind of testing, and you can directly raise the bug from your automation testing. Okay, so you have a lot of flexibility with this tool. So if there is any open source concept it in your project where people are going with Selenium as a web testing as JMeter for performance, and they will definitely use Bugzilla for their bug tracking. Okay, so downloading instructions of Bugzilla are a little bit tricky, but I suggest you that you need not concentrate much on that work, because as an administrator people will take that and install Bugzilla in your servers at your workplace. So that's an administrative work, because as a software QA tester people will not ask you to configure Bugzilla in your machines. It involves server, SQL database, and you need one Apache kind of server for it. There are PHP you need. You need a lot of configuration tools to actually configure Bugzilla in your local machines. So I'm sure that if you are going to the project where they expect people have to be the Bugzilla knowledge, that means how to use that tool effectively to create a bug and to maintain a bug. But that doesn't mean that you have to install a Bugzilla. That's an admin work, right? So in this tutorial I'm going to concentrate on how to use that tool as a bug management system. Okay, so if I don't explain how to install it, but how can we test it, how can we explore that tool, you might be wondered. If I do not know how to download it, but how can I explore and work on it? For that, what Bugzilla team has done, they have provided us one a demo link where they hosted it on their web server, so you can directly access Bugzilla using that link. It's just for demo practice purpose, right? Let me go and show you that link. Just type Bugzilla demo site. Okay, this is the one, landfill.bugzilla.org. There are multiple stuff present. I think you can directly launch it here, but there is a branch 5 new version. Let me take you to there. Bugzilla. I think this is the link. Yeah, so here you can select this latest branch, okay, which will take you to that Bugzilla main page. Okay, this is the first look of the tool called Defect Management System Bugzilla, and actually you can download it and use it in your server. That is the one purpose, or you can directly use the website which they hosted over the net, but this is a dummy website. Okay, just for practice purpose you have to use it. If you want to download actual Bugzilla configuration into your machine and set up all the admin work what I have explained, you can just directly go to that particular download page. Let me see here, Bugzilla download. Yeah, This is an official web page where they post all the updates related to it. Here you can go and just download this and start configuration all related other servers to make it appear. But as I said, we will focus on the tool explanatory rather than installation instructions. As I said, that admin will take care of it. So in this section we will concentrate on how to file a bug, how to search for it, and how to manage the bug in end-to-end cycle using this tool. So right now I logged in with my user ID. I would request you to create an account for you in this tool. Okay, login or new account, where it is. Let me click on home page. Yeah, just register yourself with a username and password. It will send you to the link where you can access it and create your user ID password. So once you have created, you can successfully log in with the username and password whatever you have created, and you will be on the home page of Bugzilla, right? So please make sure hit that link and get your instructions, account instructions, and be on this page. From the next lecture, let's start and explore the features present in this tool. Okay, by the end of this section you will get good understanding of usage of this tool, and you can happily suggest this tool as a bug track management system at your workplace as well, right? Please complete that work before we start with our next lecture. Right. Thank you.